Mistplay does not normally deduct points twice for the same redemption. If your balance looks lower than expected, the first step is confirming whether you're seeing a delayed balance update, multiple redemption requests, or an actual account error. By the end of this video, you'll know how to verify your point balance, check your redemption history, and report a duplicate deduction if one really happened. Start by opening the Rewards or Redemption History section in Mistplay. Compare your current points balance with your recent redemption activity. If you redeemed more than one reward, each redemption should appear separately in your account history. This helps you determine whether the point deduction matches an actual transaction. Next, look for duplicate redemption entries. If the same reward appears more than once with separate deductions, don't try redeeming another reward to test the balance. First, make sure you didn't accidentally submit the redemption multiple times because of repeated taps or connection issues. Reviewing your redemption history is the quickest way to confirm what happened. Now refresh your account information. Completely close Mistplay, reopen the app, and allow it to synchronize with the server. If your previous balance was displaying cached information, a fresh sync may correct what you're seeing. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable so the latest account data can load properly. If your redemption history doesn't explain the missing points, gather evidence before contacting Mistplay support. Take screenshots showing your current balance, your redemption history, and any reward confirmations you received by email. Include your Mistplay account email, the reward involved, and a clear explanation of why you believe points were deducted more than once. Avoid creating multiple support requests for the same issue. Keeping everything in one conversation makes it easier for the support team to review your account history and investigate the reported deduction. Continue replying within the same email thread if they ask for additional information. If you recently redeemed a reward, give the app time to finish processing before assuming your balance is incorrect. Temporary syncing delays can sometimes make your point total appear inconsistent until the latest account information finishes loading. Here's the quick recap. Compare your point balance with your redemption history, check for duplicate redemption entries, refresh the app to sync your account, and contact Mistplay support with screenshots if the deductions still don't match your activity. If this walkthrough helped, subscribe for more simple Mistplay fixes and troubleshooting guides for rewards apps.